Hello, my name is Todd Morrison. I have worked with environmental stewardship for over 26 years at the Kentucky DOT and the University of Kentucky. I am pleased to work with the Florida LTAP Center in presenting a training on environmental awareness for highway and street maintenance operations. In this training, we will cover what you and your agency can do to complete your maintenance work in an environmentally responsible manner. Florida is rich in natural resources, and we want to preserve those for future generations. The concepts discussed will help in the goal of being a good environmental steward. In this training, we will define pollution and talk about why it is important to prevent it, go over the general permits and regulations, and cover how to perform typical maintenance activities while meeting the environmental guidelines. We will also discuss work in or near streams, facility-based operations, waste management, and spill prevention and response. This training will be a fun combination of lecture, discussion, and group activities. I look forward to seeing you.